In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Shopify, probably the leading e-commerce platform on the market today, and in my opinion, one of the best. I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons of selling on Shopify and give you tips for getting started. If you're thinking of launching an e-commerce business, I recommend you use Shopify. It will save you a lot of time and money. Watch this video before you make a decision. So what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce website platform that provides everything you need to sell your products online. It allows you to sell your products directly to consumers without paying commissions to big tech firms like eBay and Amazon. You can display your products, take payments, and build a successful business. It's used by thousands of businesses, both big and small, to run their businesses, and it's super quick to set up. You can set up a basic storefront in a matter of hours and start making sales. So what are the benefits of Shopify? Firstly, it's a fully hosted solution. That means that you can access it from anywhere. You don't have to worry about any of the technical aspects of a website, such as buying hosting or worrying about your website go down. You can focus your time on finding great products to sell on your site. Accepting secure payments is vital for e-commerce. And with Shopify, you can rest easy that the sites are secure and you can accept payments from customers all around the world. With Shopify, you can accept payments from all the major providers, including Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal, and you can also accept payments online or on desktop through systems such as Apple Pay and GPay. Shopify is super easy to use. You don't need any coding. It has a WYSIWYG editor, as in what you see is what you get, and you can use that for setting up your storefront. It also has an intuitive design for setting things like shipping and payment, etc. Very, very easy to use, very easy to pick up. Shopify is a highly extendable system. It has a massive ecosystem of both developers that can help you build your website and also apps where you can extend your store. So you can get apps from anything from helping you with cross-selling, or you can use Shopify to run your whole business by adding warehousing apps or apps that enable you to sell on third-party platforms such as Amazon. Shopify is a store which will fit the requirements of around 99% of businesses. The layout of Shopify store is called a theme. Shopify has a massive library of themes that you can use to very quickly build a store and make it look good. A lot of these themes are free, including a number which are created by Shopify themselves. Shopify has a WYSIWYG theme editor, which means you can just drag and drop elements of your theme around to make your store look how you want. Shopify has a lot of built-in tools that help you automate the process of running an online business. For example, you can use Shopify Mail to run email campaigns from within the Shopify system. This is much cheaper than using systems such as MailChimp. You can also reach new customers by using platforms such as Shopify Marketplace Connect that helps you integrate your Shopify platform directly with platforms such as eBay and Amazon. Retail is detail, and Shopify has a built-in analytics platform to enable you to understand your sales. This can help you with things like conversion rate, which products are selling best, and which pages on your site are converting best. So who uses Shopify? Alongside thousands of smaller sellers, Shopify is used by some of the biggest e-commerce players on the web. For example, Allbirds. These are a New Zealand brand selling shoes. Their site has a nice clean look. It's responsive to different sizes of device. You can see that's how it would look on a mobile device. As you can see, just by clicking around on a few of the options on the site, it loads very quickly. We click on a product. We can see lots of different photos of the same item. We can select an item and then go through to cart. One thing you should note is ShopPay, which is Shopify's built-in payment system. Another option is Gymshark. They're a leading UK supplier of gym clothes. You can see again, very nice clean site, very easy to use, and shows off their products very well. The amazing thing about Shopify is functionality like this is available both to very big sellers like Gymshark and Allbirds, and is also available to the smallest seller that just wants to pay $30 a month to get going. So what are the drawbacks of selling on Shopify? In my opinion, there are very few. Shopify is easy to use, cheap, and fully functional. Unless you're a business which has a very bespoke product, for example, you might be selling flowers and you want to do gift cards with them and add-ons, Shopify will be absolutely fantastic for your needs, whatever kind of products you're selling. So what are the first steps you need to take to get selling on Shopify? I recommend jumping straight in. On the Shopify website, you can sign up for a free trial, and then after that, you can get the platform for £1 for a month. After your trial is over, you can sign up for one of the Shopify plans. You can see they start at around £20 or around $30. As you become a bigger business, it may make sense to pay for one of the upper tiers. These typically give you more users and also have cheaper card rates. So Shopify, it's very cheap to get started. You can sign up for a month for pretty much free, and you can start playing with the system and get to know it and find out if it is right for your business. As I said previously, the Shopify will be absolutely perfect for 99% of e-commerce businesses, and is the absolutely perfect way to start your e-commerce business.